Bitcoin is crashing. It's crashing. This time it's for real. Did you get out in time? Did you pay attention to the warnings I was giving? Look at this. It just hit 40K, having a small bounce now, but this looks like the real crash is here. Why is this happening? Ever since the Bitcoin ETF was approved about a week ago, I have been making videos saying Bitcoin to crash. Bitcoin is going down. Bitcoin is tanking. This is going to happen. I've been warning, right? All these videos. The reason why is because the ETFs are a disappointment. They're more disappointing than what you could have imagined. Remember, before the ETFs got listed, there was all those people, those Bitcoin maxis pumping, saying this is going to be life-changing. This is like so much money flowing into Bitcoin, and it's going to, make Bitcoin go to 100K or whatever in like 1 month. And my opinion was always, yes, this is bullish for Bitcoin in the long term. In the short term, however, right, there is a chance they could sell on news. Right, I was open-minded on that, and this is being what's happening. The reason why is because everyone was all focused on the bullish news, but no one gave a warning on the bearish news, which is GBTC, the already existing Bitcoin trust that is actually selling off, right? And I'm the only one who made like multiple videos and multiple tweets warning about this. How is this happening? We see over the first 5 days, right, of Bitcoin trading, actually see this GBTC, which is Grayscale, they're actually selling 2.3 billion, 1.8 billion, 1 billion, 1.4 billion, right? 1 billion. They've sold like $5-6 billion of Bitcoin every day, right? Now, some of that is just money leaving the Bitcoin system, and some of that goes into, say, the Fidelity Bitcoin Trust and the BlackRock Bitcoin Trust. So they sell here and they buy back in here, which doesn't really crash the market, but some of that is actually leaving this sector in general. So when does Bitcoin stop dumping? Well, that's really simple. It's basically a real simple balance of supply demand, more buyers than sellers, right? So the day when the sellers from Grayscale, right, who have held Bitcoin for the last 5 or 6 years, stop selling, and the day that when buyers from these new BlackRock ETFs or Fidelity ETFs start buying and buying more than the sellers, then prices reach a balance, right, and they start pushing up. Now, and it's not just these Grayscale sellers who are selling. This is my warning inside my own Discord with this chart of exchange selling pressure just 3 days ago. Basically, this measures how much money is coming into these crypto exchanges like Binance or Gate that are selling Bitcoin. So the blue line is selling pressure. When it spikes up, then Bitcoin, which is orange price line, tanks, right? And we had a spike about 3 days ago, and you just saw that was my warning to my Discord about 3 days ago. And of course, this was my warning on Twitter, right? Just 3, 4, 5 days ago, saying, yeah, all of this happening with GBTC dumping their Bitcoins. And I said there's support at around this 38, 39K coming K area. And then eventually, if that breaks, 33 to 34K area. And I still stand by that. So when does this situation change, and when does the selling pressure subside? Well, if you want to be as relaxed as Pablo here, just spending time on the waterfront, then follow Pablo for more updates.